Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Locksport. Today is Tuesday, which means it is a Loto Lock Tuesday. Hashtag it for all the videos in this series. Anyone can participate. Just whack the hashtag on your description or on your title and we can find it, put it in a playlist, add your name to the monthly draw. It's that time again where we are doing the monthly draws for the last 3 months. So that is what? July, August and September. So if you've made yourself a Loto Lock Tuesday video or a Loto Lock video that you want to add to the draw, just go in, edit your description or your title, put the hashtag in there so I can find the video and I'll add your name to the draw. So I'm going to give people a week to get their hashtags in. Let me know you've done a video so I can watch it and add it. Speaking of Loto Locks, as Locksport is waiting on locks from me, well, they've come in and I will be picking them up and having them in my hot little hands today. So hopefully, barring no life things happening that requires my time, I will get that packages out by the end of the week. So that's pretty exciting because it's been a while coming and you know what logs you're getting and you know how cool they are. So the previous winners for April, May and June were Sadistic Picker, My Lock and Lockie's Locksmith Services. So Derek from Lockie's Locksmith Services, I have not heard from you to let me know that you want the lock you've won or you don't want it. Yeah, it's cool, it'll go back into the prize pool or you can donate it to someone else if you want, that's fine. But you need to, false set, you need to let me know what you want done. So if I don't hear from you about that by the time I start the next draw, then I will just add the lock back to the prize pool. Now this lock has been giving me no end of issues. I have not been able to pick it. I've tried to pick this 6 times in a row and I can't. So we're raking it. Do I rake often? No. But this one seems to have graphite in it. And it's a new lock, so that's not nice. Okay, hold on. Stuck in a faucet with you. So I'd like to do some shout-outs as part of Lady Lock's 900 celebration. Now there's a list on Lady Lock's video of all the channels she'd like you to go to and check out for her draw and go and sub and watch their videos. I'll leave a link to that video so you can check out that list and go find yourself some new Locksporters. Really cool ones to watch. And today I'm shouting out Xander. Sander is a young lock picker who's been joining us on picking time. Head on over to his channel. He's put up his first video of picking a lock. So go welcome him to the community. Give him some love and support. I'd also like to shout out Token Orange. Toten, also known as Deadeye, is a lockpicker from way back, wealth of experience and knowledge, and he started doing videos and sharing that experience and knowledge with the community. Watch him pick, he can breeze through these like they're nothing. An awesome picker. So go check out Deadeye, Token Orange. I'll leave a link in the description below to everyone I've mentioned. My Lock, Sadistic, Lady Locks, Picking Time, Toten Orange, Xander Locks. I will be starting up my Shoutout Mondays again. It looks like YouTube is not going to give Story Lock back his channel. It's lost everything. So if you want to watch any of his previous content, you need to go over to Odyssey, because he's backed up his channel over there. So it's not lost completely, but you can't find it on YouTube anymore, which is a shame, because YouTube still gave him no reason on why they took his channel away. More of a full set. So I'm raking and then picking with the peats. Okay, I feel like I'm hooked up. It also just feels like there's just one pin to go. There's one at the back. Okay, deeper false set. That's what this lock's been doing. It's giving you false set after false set. Lots of feedback, but then no open. And then you think you've only got one pin to go because you've got such, deep false sets, and then you can't get anything. Maybe I need to tilt it up. So you want to protect the bottom of the keyway so you don't wallow out that plastic. Just put a shotty in. Doesn't affect the picking, doesn't affect the tension. Just gives you something to lever off to protect the base of your lock. Oh, losing the tension wrench. So I've got all my lock tools, all the different style of handles in my bare bones, so they look really cool. They really fit the theme. Skelly and the Frog say, or Happy Halloween. definitely something going on way back there. Going in with the Nessie. No, the Kiwi won't let the Nessie in. Okay. This has been one tough master lock. This must be all over. I've tried to pick it a couple of other times, so it must be like my 10th attempt on this lock. Can rotation, and then didn't drop back into a false set. Oh. Okay, little false set again. Counter rotation. Oh yes. Oh, wow, finally got that open. Oh, cramping up. So, if you want to win yourself one of these, whack the hashtag on your Loto Lock videos. And that's as easy as that. Check out co-host of the series, Sadistic Picker, for some awesome Loto Lock content. He can breeze through these Loto Locks. He's a passionate Loto Lock picker. Check out that channel and the other channels that I have mentioned. Big congratulations to Lady Locks for cracking those milestones. Skelly and the Frog say, stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.